In Matthew chapter 10 verses 5 to 6, Jesus instructs his disciples to go nowhere among the Gentiles and enter no town of the Samaritans, but go rather to the lost sheep of the house of Israel. Pinapunta muna ni Jesus ang kanyang mga alagad sa lost sheep of Israel, the people closest to them. And this verse made me realize na minsan kasi gusto nating gumawa agad-agad ng malaking pagbabago sa mundo, making a big difference globally. Pero nalilimutan natin ang mga pangangailangan na nasa harapan o paligid lang natin. And I know most of the time, the hardest place to serve is among those closest to us, ang mga taong malapit sa atin. Diba? But if you are trying to change the world, start with your inner circle. Like improving your family relationships before trying to inspire others. It's like starting your fitness journey. Hindi ka naman agad magmamarathon, di ba? You start with short, local joggings, simpleng takbo muna sa malapit o paligid. Ika nga, magsimula sa maliit. Start small. So, is there a family member you can pray with? A friend you can invite to mass, or a local cause you can support? The lesson here is begin your mission with the people closest to you, your family, friends, or local community. Share God's love and truth with those nearest to you before venturing farther.